This is Shelly Craft coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at the LD Micro main event in Bel Air, California, 2014. I have with me Jeff Baxter, VBI Vaccines. It's a publicly traded company. The symbol is VBIV. Ladies and gentlemen, VBIV. Jeff, welcome to SNNLive.
Great. Thank you very much, Shelley. Thanks for the opportunity to talk to you and your viewers.
Thank you for coming on. Let's get an overview of the company so we have a place to begin.
Okay, we're a newly listed NASDAQ company, fully listed on capital markets. We came to NASDAQ in late July, and we are a novel vaccine company that specializes in meeting unmet medical needs in significant unmet vaccine markets.
Give me a couple of some of those unmet needs that you are meeting and supplying.
Great. So we have two platforms in the company, one that generates de novo vaccines, and our lead candidate is CMV. It's for the prevention of congenital defects from CMV infection during pregnancy. It is the largest cause of birth defects in the USA, with over 40,000 impacted births per year. And the other platform we have is one of the holy grails of vaccinology, which allows you to take vaccines out of the cold chain by formulating them for thermostability up to 40 degrees C.
So you're not attacking small markets?
We're not attacking small markets. In fact, CMV, the routine maintenance market is over $1 billion a year in the 7 major markets, and a significant catch-up market for those women that are planning families later in life.
So now, some investors and viewers and subscribers might not understand what the impact of having a vaccine is. They think it's like taking a measles vaccine. So please explain, if you would, the technology so that the audience understands.
Certainly. So CMV is particularly dangerous if a woman is exposed to CMV during the first trimester of her pregnancy. As I said, it is the biggest cause of birth defects in the US at 40,000 a year. So CMV is a virus which is fairly ubiquitous in the population, but the real issue becomes if a woman who is seronegative, that means not naturally immune to CMV, becomes exposed to CMV and puts the unborn fetus at significant risk. This is a bigger form of birth defects than Down syndrome, fetal alcohol syndrome, and many of the other ones that are more well known.
Wow, this is unique. So you have the process of assuring that you can take care of that problem.
Exactly. In discussion with the FDA, the protocol will be that all adolescent girls will be vaccinated because healthy mothers, healthy babies. And then when a woman is planning a family, perhaps in 20, 30, 40s, whenever, they would then visit their pediatrician, and if they didn't have the vaccination, they would have 3 shots, and if they had had the vaccination as an adolescent girl, they would get the booster. So this is a really unique opportunity to eliminate the biggest cause of birth defects in North America.
It's a total global opportunity.
It's a massive opportunity. We will be running our phase 1 trial in North America, 3 sites in the US and 1 in Canada. But as you said, this is a major opportunity in all of the established markets.
What's your background?
So I was in Big Pharma for 19 years. I did 13 jobs in 19 years. I like to think I got promoted quickly before they moved me on, before I got found out. And then I became a venture capitalist. And then I realized that actually what I enjoyed doing is really running things. So I got back into an operational job in late 2009 as the CEO of VBI Vaccines.
You know, it's a rare opportunity sometimes in corporate life that you get the opportunity that comes along and you say, forget everything else, forget the comfort of being in a big company and taking a salary down, and then you realize, what did I do? I'm going into a MicroCap company and I'm going to be running a public company. Yikes, right?
Right. No, that's a question that my wife asked me with 2 children at school and now in college all the time. But really the opportunity here is that we really can make a difference to the healthcare of the population. CMV impacts of 40,000 births a year, and 5,500 of those will go on to severe brain damage, visual loss, hearing damage, and those children have a very unhappy life, which unfortunately ends prematurely.
Where was the technology developed?
Yeah, so the technology was actually developed in a French university, UPMC, and we acquired the technology in late 2010.
So it was a tech transfer. Is that a continuing operation? You get good technology, bring it into the company and try to commercialize it?
Yeah, so we have 2 platforms in-house, one which we acquired, I just mentioned, the other one was in-house, but we're always on the lookout for really interesting vaccine technologies. You know, the unique thing about vaccines is that you have an opportunity to develop a very potent drug, but you give it to healthy people to stop them getting sick. And the old adage of prevention is better than the cure is absolutely right.
On that note, let's get the website out there.
It's www.vbivaccines.com.
Ladies and gentlemen, Jeff Baxter, VBI Vaccines. It's a publicly traded company on NASDAQ, symbol VBIV. I'm Shelley Kraft. This is SNNLive, and we're coming to you live from LD Micro, the main event in Bel Air, California, 2014. Jeff, let me tell you, I wish you luck.
Thank you very much,
Get this
Shelley.
out there.
Yeah, thank you very much, Shelley. Thank you.